So I'm Mark Gillan, the Chief Operations Officer for Artemis Technologies, and also the Programme Director for Belfast Maritime Consortium. Very simply, we're here to help really transform decarbonisation of maritime transportation, and it'll be a series of world's first. We are building the team from a small 26 people unit up to around about 100 by this time next year, and we're really looking to expand our sort of functions and hire world-class people into Belfast and a range of opportunities ranging from naval architecture to electrification to project planners right through to administration roles. So in terms of opportunity for anybody to come in and work in Belfast with the team and the wider consortium and with government support, you're not going to find any better opportunity anywhere else.